in their religion, you are in big trouble here. And we see the Spanish Inquisition as evidence of this. The Tribunal of the Holy Office of the Inquisition was established in 1478 by King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella I. And this was the same king and queen who sent Christopher Columbus to discover America, or really a passageway to the east, but he discovered America instead. Now what happened was that the Muslims had taken over southern Spain, and the Catholics in their power pushed them out, and they were to convert. In 1492 there was a decree, 1502, ordering Jews and Muslims to convert to Catholicism or leave Spain. And so thousands of Jews converted to Christianity, thousands of Muslims converted to Christianity. And there was also mass expulsions where they left. They didn't want to stay there. They left Spain. We had this Inquisition. At first, it was mainly to see, were these Jews really converted? Or were they just putting on a front, but in their hearts they still believed in Judaism and the ways of Judaism? And then you had the Muslims who converted. Well, we have to make sure they weren't really, maybe in secret they were still following Islam, following Allah, praying to Allah. And so you have the Spanish Inquisition. And you would be burned in the flames if they found out you were still a Jew or Muslim or still a heretic. You'd be burned at the stake. And this is one of the problems with church and state uniting. If you don't believe this certain way, you could be burned at the stake. Then you have the Protestant Reformation, starting in the 1500s with Martin Luther in 1519 nailing the 95 Theses to the door of the Wittenberg Church there in Germany. And this started the Protestant Reformation. And then you have John Calvin in Geneva, Switzerland. And the result is you have the Catholics, you have the French, France and Spain, the Holy Roman Empire,